Yo, I met with today. Yeah, totally is. I have been, yeah, I was, I'm a victim of apartheid, so this is one of the things that happens. We don't get to grow up in South Africa and learn our mother tongue. I'm trying, I'm learning. Give me a few more years. Mine is just to come up here and say that I'm very humbled, and I just want to leave you guys a message of encouragement and a little bit of support. I was listening to Ukumanda Shanti speak just now, and to know that you guys won this award and you've done so well, it's very good because it's what we're obviously working towards as MK Party. We are growing party. I'm sure you can see it's become a tsunami. Every day, every election, every by-election, we're getting better and better. And that's because of all of you, and we are so thankful for that. Last night I was sitting with President Zuma, and he was just talking about discipline. And I thought I must just share this word with you guys. He said that by the time he came out of prison, he was about 30, 32 years old. And that's probably the age of most youth in the country, right? And in the youth league. And he spoke of the discipline he had that made him survive. So that's the encouragement and the words that I want to.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Ask Kulumode Brave. Today is your first time visiting this channel. Please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Also don't forget to smash the like button. Uyatrenda uDuduzile Zuma mntwana Jacob Zuma ngemva kokuthatha uyakhuluma laphana ku conference lebebanayo some sort of a meeting yana laphayana kunebantu nje be-MK so ugele wathi yena akakwadi ukukhuluma Zulu and Mzansi dragged ugele lapha kuma-social media platforms uthi slender 90 so as a toddler the Zuma family was speaking only English with her qabanga ukukhuza nge-English kini uthi bonga qha aniyajabula bokweduduzile awukwazi ukukhuluma into oyinqele beleni awazi wethiwa igama elinhle kangaka ningamahlazo manize nihlaze noZulu emkhulu kangaka uthi Xanisela Mthembu family business children's legacy uthi HD you seem not to be South African. A lot of people had a lot to say kesan about what Duduzile said ukuthatha akakwati khuluma siZulu abantu bathi hayibo geli akwati khuluma Zulu but bakwethi ngisho igama lelinhle alesizulu and nawe ungumZulu somewhere standing with awugel bathi phela sikhumbuleni ukuthi ugela akakhulelanga lana ukhulele eZim and makwakhe futhi wasezim so asinga-expecteni nkosi yami ukuthi bakhone kukhuluma siZulu but bani bathi dayibo wena qha bekumele nje ngabesiZulu uyasadi. Do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I'm signing out. So goodbye.